This is every Uruguayan aircraft currently in service. Combat aircraft transports trainers, helicopters, and naval aircraft, more than 20 aircraft types, some decades old, some newly delivered, and some only just entering service. First up, combat aircraft. Cessna A-37B Dragonfly. This light attack aircraft has served the Uruguayan Air Force since 1976 and remains its longest-serving combat platform. Powered by twin turbojet engines, it can carry bombs, rockets, and gun pods on 8 hardpoints. Although 6 aircraft remain active, only a portion are typically operational due to maintenance requirements and fleet age. And now the Embraer A-29 Super Tucano. This modern turboprop attack and training aircraft was ordered to replace the aging A-37B fleet. Equipped with advanced avionics, electro-optical sensors, guided weapons capability, and extended endurance, it strengthens Uruguay's surveillance and light attack capabilities. The first 2 aircraft arrived in 2026, with 4 more scheduled for delivery. Next up, transport aircraft. KC-130H Hercules. This 4-engine transport and tanker entered Uruguayan service in 2020 after acquisition from Spain. It provides strategic airlift, troop transport, cargo delivery, and aerial refueling capability. With a payload exceeding 19 tons and intercontinental range, the KC-130H is the largest and most capable aircraft currently operated by the Uruguayan Air Force. CASA C-212 Aviocar. This twin-engine STOL transport aircraft is designed to operate from short and unprepared runways. Uruguay operates several examples in both transport and maritime patrol configurations. Its versatility allows missions ranging from cargo delivery and troop transport to coastal surveillance, search and rescue support, and monitoring of the country's exclusive economic zone. Embraer EMB-120 Brasília. Used primarily for VIP and presidential transport, the EMB-120 is a fast regional turboprop aircraft built in Brazil. Operated by Brigada SIAI, it offers reliable passenger transport across South America. Its combination of speed, efficiency, and comfort has made it one of the most successful regional airliners produced by Embraer. And now, the Embraer EMB-110 Bandeirante. This light twin-engine transport aircraft once played an important utility role within the Uruguayan Air Force. Capable of carrying passengers or cargo over moderate distances, it remains listed in the inventory. However, the aircraft is currently stored and awaiting major maintenance work before returning to operational service. Continuing with trainer aircraft, SIAI-Marchetti SF-260. This Italian-built piston trainer serves as the starting point for many Uruguayan military pilots. Used by the Escuela Militar de Aeronautica, it provides primary flight instruction and basic aerobatic training. Its lightweight, responsive controls, and efficient design make it well-suited for developing essential flying skills before advancing to more complex aircraft. Pilatus PC-7 Turbo Trainer. This Swiss turboprop trainer bridges the gap between basic and advanced flight instruction. Equipped with a powerful PT-6A engine and tandem seating, it introduces cadets to higher performance operations. The aircraft remains an important stage in pilot development, preparing future aircrew for transport aircraft, helicopters, and combat-capable platforms. Beechcraft Baron 58. These twin-engine aircraft are used for instrument instruction, multi-engine training, and liaison duties. Their operation allows pilots to gain experience managing multiple engines and more advanced flight systems. Although only a small number remain active, they continue supporting the transition from basic trainers to larger operational aircraft. And now, the Cessna U-206H Stationair. This utility aircraft performs liaison, light transport, and training missions across the Uruguayan Air Force. Capable of operating from a variety of airfields, it offers dependable performance and flexibility. Recent modernization programs introduced digital cockpit upgrades, extending the usefulness of the fleet for future operational and instructional duties. Continuing with Air Force helicopters, Bell 212 Twin Huey. This twin-engine utility helicopter is the primary rotary-wing workhorse of the Uruguayan Air Force. It performs transport, search and rescue, disaster relief, medical evacuation, and support missions. Capable of carrying troops or external cargo, the Bell 212 has served for decades and remains one of the most frequently deployed helicopters in Uruguay's military inventory. Bell UH-1H Iroquois. Better known as the Huey, this helicopter entered service during the 1970s and continues supporting transport and utility operations. It can carry troops, cargo, and emergency supplies across the country. Although the fleet is aging and maintenance-intensive, the UH-1H still contributes to operational readiness and humanitarian missions. Eurocopter AS-365 Dauphin. This modern twin-engine helicopter combines search and rescue, utility, and VIP transport roles. Faster than most helicopters in Uruguayan service, it offers long-range and reliable performance. The aircraft is frequently used for presidential transport and emergency response operations, while also supporting maritime and coastal missions when required. And now the Bell 206 JetRanger. This light helicopter serves primarily as a rotary-wing training platform. Student pilots use it to learn helicopter flight fundamentals before transitioning to larger operational aircraft. Its simple design, dependable performance, and widespread international use have made the JetRanger one of the most successful helicopter trainers ever produced. Continuing with naval aircraft, Beechcraft King Air B-200T, this maritime patrol aircraft forms the backbone of Uruguay's naval surveillance capability. Equipped with radar, electronic sensors, FLIR systems, and mission equipment, it conducts patrol missions over the South Atlantic and Rio de la Plata. Its long endurance allows crews to monitor shipping activity, fisheries, coastal waters, and maritime security zones. And now, the Cessna 02A Skymaster. This distinctive twin-boom aircraft performs observation, patrol, and utility missions within Uruguayan Naval Aviation. Its push-pull engine arrangement provides good visibility and operational flexibility. Introduced into service in recent years, it supports coastal surveillance activities and complements the larger King Air fleet during maritime monitoring operations. Agusta Bell AB-412CP. This medium twin-engine helicopter entered Uruguayan Naval Aviation service after previously operating with the Italian Coast Guard. Used for transport, patrol, search and rescue, and utility missions, it provides greater capability than earlier naval helicopters. 2 aircraft are currently active, while a third example has been approved for future acquisition. And now, the Bell OH-58A Kiowa. This light observation helicopter supports pilot training and continuation flying within the Naval Helicopter Force. Originally built for the United States Army, it later entered Uruguayan service in 2020. The aircraft helps maintain rotary-wing proficiency and prepares crews for operations on larger helicopters such as the OB-412. Beechcraft T-34C1 Turbo Mentor. This turboprop trainer has served Uruguayan naval aviation since 1981 and remains part of the pilot training pipeline. Powered by a Pratt & Whitney PT-6A engine, it provides basic and intermediate flight instruction for naval aviators. One aircraft was successfully returned to service after a long period in storage, extending the fleet's operational life.